Follow these steps to replace your Greenlite seed card reader with the Greenlite ePort device on your glass front vending machine. You'll need a blade to cut zip ties, more zip ties, and a deep 11/32 nut driver. Open your machine door and make sure your machine is powered off. Begin by removing the orange seed telemetry box and connections. It will be important to discard your old seed card reader cables so you do not get confused with the new ePort wires. We also recommend leaving the Greenlite temperature sensor installed in your machine so that you can refer to its routing and location when and if a temperature sensor becomes available with Greenlite ePort. It is likely you will need to cut zip ties to remove the harnessing. The harnessing you will want to remove generally has an orange sticker label on them. Disconnect the MDB cable here. This cable goes to your coin mechanism and bill acceptor. Disconnect your Greenlite door switch harness and connect your door switch harness that is running from the control board. It does not matter which one of these connectors you place on which pin. Remove the DEX plug here. It is important your new DEX connection will be plugged in securely. Next, you will need an 11/32 nut driver to remove the 4 nuts attaching the back plate to the card reader. Then pull out the card reader through the back of the machine. Some machine models may have a slightly different layout behind the door and may need the removal of the coin mechanism mount or coin chute or other adjustments to remove the card reader. If this is required, be sure to take a picture of where they are located so you will know how to put them back in place correctly. If you're renting your seed card reader, it will need to be deactivated on your account so that you will not receive reoccurring charges for that device. Here you can see the different back mounting plates for the old seed card reader and the new ePort card reader. The screws are placed in slightly different places for the new ePort card reader on the left. Now slide the new ePort card reader into place. Use the 4 nuts from the seed card reader to secure it into place. It can be helpful to get them started by hand. Make sure this connection is secure in the top left portion of the card reader. You'll need to make sure the other end connects to the black telemetry box like so. Plug in the DEX connection coming from the black telemetry box. Plug in the MDB connection to this harness coming off the control board. The female end of this harness will connect to the harness coming off the bill acceptor. The bill acceptor should be plugged into the coin mechanism. Velcro the black telemetry box in the machine where the orange telemetry box was. Be sure to zip tie the loose cables so they are not obstructing the door or any other machine operation. Next, place the antenna wires through the top of the machine cabinet. The antennas are attached to the machine cabinet magnetically and can be adjusted to get the best signal. Push the antenna wires into the ePort telemetry device here to connect. Press the signal button on the telemetry device to check the signal strength. The signal strength goes up to 31, but anything over 12 is good. The interference goes up to 7, but needs to consistently be 4 or lower. Adjust antennas as needed. Please be aware, after the vending machine is turned on for the first time after installing the new ePort device, it may take up to 24 hours before the tap and mobile payment functionality is fully enabled on your Greenlite ePort device. During the 24 hours that the tap payment function is not working, the card swipe option will work. Rest assured, your Greenlite ePort device is fully EMV compliant and able to accept all forms of payment, including tap and mobile payments.